Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to take control of your WhatsApp notifications on your Android device. Whether you're tired of getting interrupted by constant messages, or you just want to fine-tune your notification settings for better focus, I've got you covered. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive right in. To manage WhatsApp notifications on an Android device, follow these steps. Open Settings. Go to your phone settings. Search about App List. Find WhatsApp, scroll down, and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Click on Manage Notification Settings. Enable or disable notifications. You can toggle the notification settings on or off. Lock Screen. You can choose whether you want notifications to show on the lock screen or banner and bubble. Notification Categories. WhatsApp offers different types of notifications, like message notifications, group notifications, call notifications. Choose what you need and enable it. This will help you control how and when WhatsApp notifications appear on your Android device. And that's it. Now you know how to easily manage WhatsApp notifications on your Android device. I hope this helps you stay in control of your alerts and avoid unwanted interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for